What's up, guys? Modisese, how are you guys doing? I am doing fantastic. So it's been a while since we've posted anything on our channel. We've been busy, as you know, sometimes life gets in the way. So, a lot has been happening. I've been working. The madam has also recently started a new job. So she's been working, I think for the past 2 days she's been working. So there hasn't been any time for us to do any content. Yeah, so I just thought today I should make something for you guys. So since the madam is away, she's working. I was on night shifts and in the so nasindopanda tanga off yangu 4 days. So namborara umbijana. Ndazorara anyway kana iri nchibva night. So nangotsvaga nditese ndibikire madam ka something so that painodzoka nditase inowana pane something to eat. The house is really a mess because hapana angachinyazowana time yekuita sei yekucleana masinde. So but anyway it's not too bad. So ndakuita sei ndiri kufugayata seko ndambopinda kumashops ndakanotenga tuma something my fruits but ndogadzira kanonzi kachi my sticky wings. Couldn't find those tudiki tuya tuma wings tudiki tuyacha, but anyway we'll make do with these. I think zvichango zvinongobuda fantastic. Sana nambonotenga 1 or 2 tumasini tuyaitaze twekuti tigadzire natwo ma sticky wings and then I think I'm gonna make nema wedges and then in the salad zvinobuda. Yeah, so anyway that's what I thought I should do. So stay tuned, you guys. Please subscribe to the channel, comment, like and share so that kachannel kedu kanokura. Anyway, you can tigadzirire kuita sei kubika. Catch you guys on the flip side. So nsandabika again tange nambeta sei nangonaisa muno ibedding yanga ichiita sei ibedding yanga yakawachwa so yaoma. I think we need a dryer in this house. Oh my god, ndakuita sei futi. What am I doing? Anyway, I think we need a dryer in this house because skire kuyanika masini in kitchen here make sense. The weather's never that good kuti muyanikire panze, so we have to resort to kuyanikira masina acho muteni. Yeah, so that's the thing. Kana tazoita mari totenga dry. Hey, anozvanda kuita masina landlord. Anozvanda kuita masina landlord. Anyway, nambopfuura nepashop, as I was saying, ndatenga mabhiya angu epapolska. Mabhiya epapoland anonaka baba. Mabhiya zvekuno zvidhake. Sorry kune vasingamwe, ndikutaura zvangu nevanomwa. Saka nanchimbosota nchimbogadzira inonzi masina kuti kana ndakuzobika sete smell ye like food. So yeah, and then chamba nangu try kutsvaira mbichana tono todi ma sticky wings munomaita sei mimi kana muchimabika neyama, because nini anofunga kuti ndorombotanga namaboilisa a little bit, just a little bit, ozomaisa muoven ndomba ndazogadzira inonzi chii the sauce and then tozono todi, because I don't really know the recipe zvekuti ndingatonzi ndagadzira zvekudaro. But anyway, geto yetu haripererwe. Geto yetu haritese haripererwe. Saka musakwati because topedza masports. Taura chokwadi ndakanganwa kuti masticky wings anogadzirwa sei. So regai timbogoogla marecipe. Timboita yekugoogla because hazvinganetsi. Okay, you're making the sauce.
To separate the joint from the wingtip, if you want the frying, the best way to know is get yourself.
And just squeeze some flour in it. That's just overboard. I just squeeze some flour because that's nguva. Tango deep fry machine. Do I even want to deep fry them? I don't know. I'm not sure I want to deep fry them. To be honest. Because nothing going to make a movie number to it fantastic. I again details the recipe and we invest in the way we pay any recipe again. Even though it's looking fantastic, we're not gonna follow this recipe. Recipe I'm going in the way we invest in the shackle. Anyway, and it on not to D. Right. Tagano Turama. I don't know if I want to marinate these before I cut them. Papa manjendo fanchas says no go fantastic. But yandoda kuita yekucheka tuma that's not the African way, man. Tunyama kautu. Yiko yandoda kuita tuma enzu tutu. Ewa tingambotorasa. Hazvibviri ba. Takanomarinata. Pana stereke rumboshandisa chicken seasoning. But kalemon karudikanwa. Unongomhanya pauyu ndakanorowa kalemon. Chinzwe nini wacho zvifonera man. Zvinobuda fantastic. Zvinobuda chete. Pese yaneka video kake pa YouTube ndezvake. Tisikumbomuteedzera. Iye ngaagadzire ake masticky wings, ini ndigadzire angu. I'll use it as a binder. Shinzo ninotaura ngendoziya zvinhu zvekubika. Binder kuti sei. Vangu zvinobuda chete. And then my wedges pane umwe musi amai ava pavakamboda kubika my wedges and then she never made them. So I'm not sure. I'll use these potatoes because she froze them. I'll see what is no good. So I'm not sure trade in oven. And then okay, this is how it's looking. To that a kanda oven. And then what else are we gonna do? And then we'll let it sit in the oven. Zvekuti ma degrees chesa mangana, I don't even know. Tongoisawo parinani pekuti aizonyanyotsva. So nyama yedu takanda muoven. Then there's a day madam paida kubika wedges, and then takazodecide kuti yada sadza, and then we never made them. So I'm thinking akaboiliswa umva akandwa mu-oven, mu-fridge I mean. That's why they're frozen like this. Ndichangomabhoilisa mbijana, and then nomanda ma-fry. Now that masineda apa moto, I need munomukutonora. Why is it so cold in here? Anyway, I need I think chamanya pa co-op kapaka shop kapa duza donotenga inonsi lemon, because ka lemon kan dikano muka sauce kamweke inyasoboda fantastic maize. Okay, now that manonzimachi my wedges angu a defroster. Androzombonyanya maboilisa steady because they were already soft, so I didn't want to soften them any further. So ndamandazongometa ndamandazongoma spicer yangonya yakumaisa mumafuta. I don't want to deep fry them per se. Nongoisa tumafuta kuti akanyanyowanda. Little fry, but not deep fry. I don't know if I'm making any sense, but yeah. So, but I would say, chaukada tumafuta baba mpan. Abo mafuta ekupetsera mbamuno manotambisa. Anyway, nchangu ndo shop anyway ndo vananotenga mafuta. Kano kandaji mbatatisi mpoto. Mbatatisi. Nonzi mbatatisi baba. Tueta se chakano sota. Tisakangani kucheka. This oven is not even on. Can you believe that? What's going on? It's not even on. Was it the wrong side? I don't know. I'm doing on the disappointment. Let's open up back. Okay. My wedges are chukirira. Aita inonzi golden brown pachirungu kana vanoziva chirungu vachitaura vanoti inonzi golden brown. Saka iri fantastic kana yadai so tomaburitsawo mutodraina zvimafuta obva yaita fantastic. Saka apa chinenge chasara ndechekuita segadzira paste. Paste yangu ndoti ngeni kanozika chimu ka lemon flavor like so. Muna lemon mbamuno. Can't find a lemon. So there's no lemon. Saka hizi danger. Tokubuda tonotenga lemon. Masina yachiita. Oven inenge yazobaka riketi double check. Yabaka. Saka takubuda tonotenga lemon. Sapa takubuda takunotenga lemon. Tonotenga lemon redu toita togadzira scene redu ofamba zvakanaka. Because pasina ka lemon ka sauce kedu akanyatsobuda zviri fantastic. First pa Google ndochijega chaagona paisa lemon. Zvese zvanga achiita zviya zvende zvake Anyway, tsamba nguva ikozvi zvinasooneka weather kari fantastic. Tichage lemon. Chimwe chinhu chatiri kuda sorry, do you know where I can find some concentrated lemon juice?
Yep. This one?
Yeah, that's the one. Oh, thank you.
Okay.
All right. Okay, so tapiwa ka concentrated lemon juice, but akaziva katiri kuda. Mazisi tiri kuda chi tukadira ka tea. But the one that we want is... Sorry.
The defense officer told me, if you're taking it out in any way, then you have to go down.
Okay, my lemon edu tamawa na malemon.
Please place the item on the scanner and choose the category. Please wait while we process. Payment accepted. Press for a receipt.
Nezuva. Okay, mujaya atenga malemon ake. Saka yangu yekuti ase takanodzokera padeni takanopedza njito. The njito has to be finished. Saka edible. See you in a little bit. Okay, tadzoka manje takanocheka inonzi chikunara yedu kuti iri kuita sei. Inosara nembijana, I think. Inenge yato fantastic. And then tobva taita zvesource. Saka ndakudzikisa mbijana kuti isazonge yanyanya. Nice. Right. Yangu yekugadzira soy sauce yedu ye. Soy sauce ere. Yangu yekugadzira sauce yedu. Haitorina kana formula. But ichabuda chete. Saka tinenge tine ka ketchup. Tinenge tine brown sauce. Iyo barbecue sauce iri kupomba mna. Do we even have oil? Barbecue sauce. That my lemon edu aya chichi. Maybe panoda ka soy sauce mbijana. Kungo sota masinte kuti zviite nani. Aiwa zvinobuda. And then toisa ne butter. Okay, sauce yedu yaita se yeah, fantastic. Let us say nango is what did I put in there? Butter, barbecue sauce, ketchup, bit of lemon juice, and a bit of soy sauce. Excuse me. Right. After you taburitsa my wings edu mochi. Tamaburitsa mu oven. Tamakanda mu sauce yedu ye. Ari kubudikira kanoita sei kanodai. Zviri kubuda sosu. So sweet. So sweet. Mina zvino zvichange zvichitesta so sweet. We shall see. Anyway, yeah, so ndo patimire so far. So unoshandisa chitray chedu ichi ndachigeza ndomuma changozomakanda imomo. Makanda microwave kuti angoita sei anyatsoita sticky. Yanguva yekutesta. Fantastic. My God. Chazongogadzira kasalad kuti masinti edu aite se abude ari fantastic. But for now, we are done. So I'm just gonna quickly clean up the kitchen. And then kuti zvinhu zvedu zvifambe zvakanaka. Okay, tapedza. Sanangomirira madhamu idzoke ndoita se salad ndozogadzira yadzoka. And then tomva tazoona kutodi pazvamaya manje chi ndapedza ndacleana. So rege timirire madhamu. Oh, nothing Ramanas. Oh, thank you.
I bought you some goodies.
Hi.
No, hi. Mas tipo, já não vou fazer José.
No, but it was.
Hello.
How's your boss?
I need to jump out of my legs.
Say hi to my people.
Hello, good people. Ah, Osmo. Camera, yeah, our cameras, yeah.
I don't go on. I'm going to shop again because I was saying I got jacket trunk.
This is my favorite. This thing. So lovely. This thing.
Why are you wearing my jacket?
Not itchy. Cool.
This is how it turned out. And this is what I'm having. Anyway, hey, watch your pizza. Get to know not for not farire. Food.
Ndomboendera taunira.
Kokunokwawanika. Kokunokwawanika.
Wawaniko. Womboenda morisozoshaka mawings.
Mapedza kuzvikunaka ino.
Hello, hello. Thank you, Professor. Thank you. Oh. Zvikunaka kani.
Zvikunaka. Zvinonaka usati watombodya. Pari kuda kafanta. Pari kuda kafanta.
Mawings, baba. Ndakamboenda kubasa. Bero bapati. Apera.
Uda mamwe. Ewa, that's it for now.
But I got mushroom on.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Arimo mangu.
Arimo. Serious. 2.
Chitongotoresa ndovasara.
Uda.
No.
Ngasiyaka kana madira ndokukaita mazuva.
Ukadhadzirikei. Zvazvinaka.
Zvazvinaka.
Maita kukokota plate amai.
Andoguta.
Unyari.
Andoguta.
Waipedza mawings ese nemamwe anga ndichida kuzodya mangwana. How do you rate me? How do you rate me? My cooking?
11 out of 10, but that's nothing. But
Aita mashoma.
ndaguta enough chete. Ndaguta ngachinaka singaiti.
There you have it, guys. We've come to the end of the video. Madam yadya yaguta. Geto yoti rabika. Unenge uchade. Makula ayo aripo. So yeah, we've come to the end of the video. Make sure to comment, like, share, and subscribe. And subscribe to the channel. Hello, can you tell the people to subscribe?
Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. Okay.
Okay, guys. See you in the next one. Peace.